Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kalong kasengi jong ka Jinkmen nakabenta ki Pynbna jong ka Wjhd Hills District. Hakaba Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla u Konrad ke Sangma. Ulapan banaya ka khong pisa ka bahdu shispa khandai phu pra Klur tingka. Lengbah ki kam Pynroi bapher haka district. Ya kani lapan bana Pynbna do Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla u Konrad ke Sangma henen kasengi. Haka jing lang bu maunong rem ya ka jingte ya ka diary campus. Hapok ka National Program for Dairy Development hakas nong mukla Langshor kabahab haka Jowai constituency. Ulaya thu ba onte ya katay ka Dairy Campus haka jingmang kabasyong dor khandai Klur tingka. Bad on pendep ya ka jingshna hapo ubanay na wing mentausnem. Myntri Rangbah ulaya thu ru baka sorkar kansashna ya ka mini secretariat kabalamang hakador kaba arpo Klur tingka. Nalor ka jing pen bhabrew ya kanong ba Jowai, haka jing lot ka bakhat ar Klur tingka. Bat ka jing sna surak hapo nong ba Jowai, hapo ar pholai Klur tingka. Leng ba ka jing bay tingka jong ka Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project na ka World Bank. Ulaya thu shu on penlut life san Klur tingka ban pen itanat ya kanan that lasken, bat on penlut haduk san posan Klur tingka. Nabenta ban sna ya ka surak Jowai bypass, bat sau Klur tingka nabenta ban sna ya ka surak Amlarem. Kumbalong menta ka jingpen mi dot hapo ka Jylla kalong khat ar lak lita shibanai. Katba ka jingpen don kam ya ka dot kalong aspa lak lita. Laong Myntri Rangbah bat ben rap baleng ba ni ka Dairy Campus, laban ay kam ay jam ya ar hajar ngut kibriw. Ulaong ru baka sorkar kalayale banwan ra yo shibon ki kam Pynroi hapo ka Jylla. Kamtam ban yo treyok ta ki samla. Manusnem ladan kumbasan pau hajar ngut ki samla ki balet wat kam wat jam shabar ka Jylla. Kumta banlat ki samla banlet wat kam shabar ka Jylla, ka sorkar kayale ban play kilat ki lenti na kabenta ka jongki. GHP Raju, Principal Secretary Katanat Veterinary and Animal Husbandry. Haka jingkren ulaong leng baka jingte ya ka Dairy Campus, kanyarap ikilong kami kumjo iki samla. Banyeng halaki jongki kijan, dak bashim ya ka kamri jingri kum kalat yo kam yo jam. Uraju ulapan pauru ka jing songo ya ulit fasari. Ubalong chairman ka Giant Milk Union, ubala ais ngau ya ka jaka, nakabanta bante ya ka dairy plan ha ka ni ka jaka. MLA ka Jowai uba awailat Miki Jylla, ulaong lang baka jing pentre kam ya ka NDPP, ka district kan sakiyo ha ka kamri jingri.
Women who are into dairy, sir, your august presence here and laying the foundation stone for this 9 crore project sponsored under the NPDD by the Government of India will go a long way in inculcating the dairy culture as an economic activity in this region. Sir, with your kind permission, I would like to indulge a bit about my connection and association with this wonderful district, sir. I was the SP of this district from 1990 to 2000, sir. I had a very fond memories as an SP of the district of the entire Jylla Hills. Now it's 2 districts, sir. And I recollect the great personalities who groomed me, trained me as SP. Christopher Rimbai, Karlivel Lingdo, Tariang, who was the teacher. They are regular visitors to my office and groomed me to be a SP of the district, sir. I don't know whether I delivered the police services.
Is over 675 crores worth of milk production can take place, and if this does take place, then 675 crores of money will go to the different cooperatives, different farmers and different businesses that are involved in the dairy sector simply by meeting the consumption requirement of our own state. And that is why this project is one of the parts in the process to create that livelihood, to ensure that we shorten the gap between the demand and supply, and in the whole process create value for our farmers and the cooperative societies. This center itself will benefit over 2,000 farmers, mostly women, and we expect that this place alone can give a production of close to 150,000 liters, and that is approximately 60 crores of revenue per month. So that is the kind of overall financial benefit that this project will give to the people of this area. And therefore, I wish this project the very best. I was told by the director and the principal secretary that they will be able to complete this project within this calendar year itself. So I look forward to seeing that this project is completed by November 2022, so that the work and the production and the facilities that are supposed to be provided can be given to the people. I would urge my team of the Chief Minister's Secretariat to monitor the project every month, and I would like to see the progress report of this project and the photographs every month to be sent to my office. So I would request the Deputy Commissioner also to ensure that it is monitored and ensure that this project is completed before the end of this calendar year. Different sectors, we have been ensuring that the different infrastructure projects that were very important for the people, we have tried to push those projects forward. Different kind of social sectors like education and health, we have been working very hard to ensure that the facilities improve and more facilities are created. And at the same time, we have also worked towards ensuring that livelihood is created through new means and new avenues, especially for our younger generation. Based on the population trend that we are seeing in our state, we expect that 50,000 youths will join the workforce every year, which simply means that we need to create 50,000 new jobs every year for our youth. And that is a huge challenge. And realizing this challenge and the growth in the youth population, the government has started to embark on different ways of creating livelihood. Whether it is the agriculture sector, whether it's the animal husbandry sector, whether it's the tourism sector, or other service sectors like the IT sector. We realize that government jobs can be created in a limited manner, but it is only through entrepreneurship, it is only through different self-help group movements, different cooperative movements, will we be able to create the livelihood that is required for the people. And that is why this particular dairy campus under the National Program for Dairy Development is a very crucial program for us. We realized that in our state, we have roughly a production of about 1,20,000 or 12 lakh liters. Is it 12 lakh liters? 12 lakhs. 12 lakh liters of milk per month.